Chicken fry. Now this is one of a common recipe that we all enjoy and you'll never get bored of it. Now this chicken that I'm going to show you guys today is a restaurant style chicken fry with a nice crispy exterior and a juicy moist interior. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to make a masala paste for the marinade. For this, take 1 small onion roughly chopped, 5 large garlic cloves, 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 green chili. Grind everything together. I've taken about 1 kilo chicken with bone. Now if you like to do this recipe with boneless, you can do that also. The first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. For this I'm going to make a few cuts to the chicken pieces so that it marinates better. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. To this add 2 teaspoons of curd, freshly ground paste. Add all of it. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoons besan or gram flour. Mix the marinade well into the chicken pieces. I'm going to massage the chicken pieces so that the marinade seeps through the little cuts I've made to the chicken pieces. So the chicken pieces are coated well with the marinade. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. The next step is to deep fry the chicken pieces. Take a kadai, add enough oil for deep frying. The chicken has been marinating for about 30 minutes now. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces one at a time. When you're frying for the first time, keep the flame on medium-low and deep fry the chicken pieces for about 5 minutes. Remove it, keep it aside. After deep frying all the chicken pieces, keep the pieces in a bowl, close it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. I'm going to refry the chicken pieces. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. When you're refrying it, keep the flame on medium-high and refry it for 30 seconds. Once the chicken pieces are nice and brown, remove them from the oil. Serve it hot. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm sure many of you are drooling just looking at it. So do try this chicken fry restaurant style and let me know how it turned out for you. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Print.